Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take a full page screenshot with Asus ROG Phone 6D Ultimate. And to do this, we'll need to open our settings right here from top of the page. Click on the power key and volume down key. This will make a screenshot and we can see this pop up. Click on that button and it should begin scrolling down a page, and you need to keep clicking on it until you're satisfied with the amount of a screenshot. Here's the full page. Click on the pop-up screenshot to open it with a gallery app. Here you can save it, and for some reason I can't save it. And it should be sent to your gallery. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.